Come test drive the 2020 Civic. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine, and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: alloy wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, remote keyless entry, fog lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, power moonroof, speed control, electronic stability control, traction control. Inside you'll find heated front seats, security system, trip computer, power windows, power steering, 8 speakers, leather shift knob, overhead console, cloth seat trim. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.